guys, so we have a little bit of tragedy here. Lizzie decided to drive her parents' white Ford truck with a lift kit off a bridge. And we all know how that turned out. So let's take a moment to pray for that crazy girl. Because, woof, just let her be normal. Now introducing our new co-person, Zoe.
Move.
Alright, now,
I'm done.
now we have to give a shout out to our friend Mason. Follow him on all his social medias. We'll put it down
M. Rogers. Go follow him because like he's
go follow him.
He's a person.
So we're gonna put his stuff in the description and follow us. We'll put that in the description.
My name is EGW013. Go hit me up on Instagram
and Snapchat. All right, now we're gonna bottle flip because
boy.
we don't have a bottle, but we have a thingamajig, so we're gonna bottle flip.
Clorox wipes and. Okay, ready? U-turn. Your turn.
Okay.
Your turn. Your turn. My turn. My turn. My turn. And that's it.